guys, it's Lydia here, and today I'm going to be showing you several ways on how you can wear a low pony. Low ponies are like the easiest hairstyle ever. Everyone does them. You just throw your hair into a low pony and go. So I thought I would show you some ways on how you can dress it up. These are all really easy, great for beginners if you don't really love doing your hair. These ones are great because they each take less than 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. First hairstyle, I'm going to start by grabbing a section right at the crown of my head. I'm going to split it into 3 and do a regular braid all the way down. Once I've gone about halfway down my hair, I'm going to take a break and quickly pull it apart. And just continue braiding. Secure it at the end with an elastic and do one final fluff. And then you're just going to pull all your hair into a low ponytail and just secure it in place. And of course I want to pull out pieces around my face. And that's it. I love this really simple way to add a braid to a low ponytail. You don't have to do anything French or Dutch. It's just a basic braid and it looks so cute and adds so much style. Securing my hair in that low ponytail position, but I'm going to use a clear elastic for this one just so I can hide it easier. And then of course I'm going to pull out a few pieces around my face, and I'm just going to wrap a small piece of hair around the elastic to hide it. And just pin that in place. Then to add a fun twist, all I'm going to do is just split my hair into 3 and braid it all the way down. Pull it apart once I get almost the bottom, and then secure at the bottom with another elastic. And there you go. I love this really simple way to change up a low ponytail into a low braid.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill.
For this next one, I'm going to play around with the scarf trend. So all I'm going to do is just take a scarf and wrap it from my hairline to the back and then just tie it in a knot. Maybe to kind of the side of my ponytail, because there is some ends that I'd like to kind of just keep out. And that is it. This is one of the simplest ones of this whole video. You just have to throw on a scarf. You could even do a headband, or even like a hat would work, just to kind of get this effortless style. And it's great for 3rd or 4th day hair when your hairline isn't looking the best. Just pull out some pieces around your face, do a low ponytail, and then put a scarf around your head and you look like you have so much style. This next one, guess where we're going to start? In a low ponytail position. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull out a bunch of pieces around your face. This is we're going to be pulling most of these back, so you can kind of go crazy with this, or if you have a lot of bangs or just layers that always fall out and you don't really want them to be there, this is a good hairstyle for you. So I'm going to pull back pretty much all the layers on one side and just secure it with a snap clip. Easy as that. I'm going to be adding 2 just because I think they're kind of cute. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side. And there you go. I love the snap clip trend. It's so easy to wear, and snap clips are so functional as well as cute, so they can work for so many different things. I just really love them. And I got these from Dollar Tree, so they're really cheap too. last one, I'm going to be doing something a little bit more challenging. I'm going to be doing a French braid from my hairline all the way down to the nape of my neck to kind of make a mohawk look. So it's going to be really cool, but if you feel like a French braid is too hard, or especially that kind of French braid, you could also start at the crown of your head, or you could do like a high pony to make the French braid shorter, you know, whatever is easiest, or you could just like do a regular braid. Somehow figure it out, I don't know. But this one is a bit harder, but I think it's totally worth it, and once you get it down it's pretty easy. So I'm going to start at my hairline with a piece of hair, kind of small section, split it into 3, and then just braid over the middle section. And then add in sections just in your mohawk section, kind of right in between your temples, and you're just going to do that till you get to the nape of your neck. And then once I've got to the nape of my neck, I'm just going to pull it onto a ponytail and secure it with an elastic. So then the final step, I'm just going to go in and pull up the braid to get a little bit of volume and just a little more texture. Okay, so I'm going to quickly switch my hair, the elastic, to a clear elastic, a little one, because I just realized I wanted to wrap a piece of hair around it, and it's a lot easier to do it if the elastic is smaller. So like before, I'm just going to take a small piece of hair and wrap it around my elastic till it completely runs out, and then just pin it underneath. And that is it for this hairstyle. I just love this one. It is so cool, and I've seen it all over Instagram and Pinterest, and I just love it so much. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite and what video would you like to see next, because I love hearing from you guys. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe below for more hair tutorials like this, and share this with a friend who loves a good low pony. And if you try any of these, please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see your recreations of these hairstyles. Alright guys, bye!